latest update nga mula sa SB19 News Update. Well, sobrang viral po ngayon sa social media ang the first take ng SB19. 18, we still have 4 hours to reach the goal na nasa 1 million in 24 hours ang nasabi nga pong first take performance ng SB19. Sa ngayon po ay nasa 600,000 plus o 400,000 na lang ang kailangan para po makumpleto ang nasabi nga pong 24 hours ng 1 million views. Well, sabi nga sa isang Niza Gueco, as far as I know, hindi counted ang loop and on repeat So let's make sure we count from different links and media when listening and watching. We can also put buffer videos, listen to them mix on YouTube, tapos after ilan songs, ibalik nyo lang sa DAM. For those who want to help, we came up with a simple to-do list to make sure our views count towards our goal. So, mag-check lang po kayo sa Facebook page ng 18 Official Group at ni Niza Gueco at nandoon. Dahil ilang oras na nga lang po, 20 hours na, so 4 hours na lang para po ma-reach ang goal sa 1 million views. But anyway, hindi man yan ma-reach, napakalaki pa rin ng 619,000 views in 20 hours. Congratulations SB19 dahil meron din 15,779 comments at 65,000 likes. I-compare nyo ito sa mga nag-perform sa the first take ay pinakamadami na nga pong comment and likes ang nasabi nga pong performance ng SB19. Anyway, kayang-kaya yan ng 18 dahil grabe talaga silang sumuporta. But, narito po ang ilang reviews or comment ng performance ng SB19 sa nasabi nga pong the first take. Just like their previous performance in the first take, their positioning is well thought of, Ken and Stel in opposite sides to balance the lows and highs. Pablo's huskiness complement Justin's neatness. Josh in the middle to hold them together. The rap duo Pablo and Josh side by side, the backing vocal duo of Justin and Josh. Then the bass god Ken and vocal master Stel. But there are too many things to notice. Their dynamic is on another level. Their wish bass performances are also another thing with different takes. Salute! Narito naman ang naging say ng iba. They really balance each other. Sobrang tight, knitted, meant to be talaga sila. Yung simpleng heto na, pero ang ganda at sarap sa tenga, nakakainis sa galing. Ang position kasi nila, parang binibase nila sa range ng boses. From low to low, middle to middle to middle, high to high. Base lang sa observation ko kasi at third times, di nagbago position nila. Wala akong ibang masasabi kundi ay wow sa grabing galing ng vocals. Yan ang say naman ng isa. Sila lang ang artist na napanood ko na kayang gumawa ng ibang version ng song na mas maganda kaysa sa original na areglo. Example, Ilaw, Moonlight, I'll Want You, Gento at Now Damn. Iba talaga ang pakiramdam. Well, as of now, nasa 619 plus views na nga in 20 hours ang Damn the First Take. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.